Hey guys! Have you ever made an animation in Blender, exported it to CLO, and did everything right? But when you open the avatar animation in CLO, it looked fine at first. Until you added your garments. And boom. It's way too small. If this has happened to you, don't worry, I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix it. Even though the animation works perfectly, the avatar scales just randomly tiny. And when you try to scale it up, you get a warning message saying you will lose all applied animations. It doesn't make sense, right? We follow the entire process correctly, so why does this happen? The issues comes from the unit setting in the Blender between CLO. Blender's default units in meters, CLO's units in centimeters. That means when you export your avatar from Blender, CLO interprets it 1,000 times smaller than it should be. So we can adjust the scale in Blender. First, check the scale in Blender by default. It's set to 0.001 meters. This means your avatar is literally 1 millimeter in size. So how to fix it? Set the X, Y, and Z scale to 1. It will look huge in Blender, but don't worry, just export it as an Alembic file, then import into CLO. Now the size will match perfectly and the animation will work fine. If manually scaling each axis X, Y, Z feels risky, try this instead. Leave the Blender scale as it is, then export the avatar as an Alembic file. In the export settings, scale it up by 1,000 before saving. Now when you open in CLO, it'll be the correct size. If you already exported your file without scaling, you can still fix it in CLO. Import the Alembic file into CLO. In the Import Alembic window, change the scale to 100 times. Just add 3 extra zeros. The avatar is now the right size without damaging the file. And that's it. I hope this video helps. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye!